Okay. So if you go on or in the first page of your Quizizz account, it will look like this. Yeah. So you can just simply type what you want to teach today. For example, let's say you would like to teach about passive sentence. Yeah. You go search, and these are all the quizzes that have been created by the previous creators. So you can just use this, or you can modify. I mean, you can take several of those questions to be in your own quiz. So you can see if this one consists of 20 questions for 11th grade, yeah, and these are the questions. You can read yourself the questions. If you find that it is appropriate for your materials, you can use that. But uh, this is another example, so I just clicked it. You can see the questions, the answers, yeah. And if, for example, um, some of the materials are not aligned with what you have taught them in the classroom, and you would like to edit it, you can create a new one by importing the question from the already existed uh, questions, the already existing quiz. So I will show you how. So you need to create a quiz, create a new quiz, okay, create a new quiz, and you have to type the quiz name. Let's say passive voice, okay, it's about English. You need to check the subjects and then next. Okay, these are the choices. You can have multiple choice, you can have checkbox, you can have fill in the blank, a poll, and open-ended questions. Well, it used to be only a multiple choice, but I think Quizizz right now is upgrading the quality, the features. So we have all the fill in the blanks, checkbox, and open-ended questions as well. Okay. Now, if you would like to create your own questions, you can go to new questions and you type your questions, whether it is you choose first multiple choice or fill in the blank, you type your questions. But if you don't have the time to, let's say, go through all the questions, you can just teleport. Yeah, this one will be easier for you. But if you are going to teleport, most of them will be objective like this one. So let's see, you're going to teleport the questions uh, from, let's say, this one, for example. Okay, you can simply add, click the button add, and then it will automatically add it to your new quiz. Okay, so you can combine you out the second question you got from this one, so you add this one. Yeah, and then the third from this one, you see the questions. Let's say this one you add it. Okay, so you have three questions, which is the combinations of different sources. Yeah, so you can go down and search another passive voice. uh, let's say here, let's say wait, you choose, okay, this one for example. Okay, and one more question from this one, to false at. Okay, so then you already have 5 questions about the passive voice. Yeah, Then you need to add image. Okay, mm, just you can drag the image. You can open it in. You can upload. You can simply drag the image that you want. And then you select the grades for, let's say, if it is for university, you check university. But if it is, let's say, for 7 to 9 grader, you can say that you can choose that. Okay, visible to everyone. For example, save. Okay, this is the quality because we don't have the picture yet. Yeah, you can complete it with picture, and the quality will be 10 per 10. Okay, so you can add new questions. For example, you want to have the signature question of your own. You just type the question for, let's see, fill in the blank. Yeah, write your question here. Okay, you just write down the question, um, and then you give the answers, the alternative answer if it is possible. So because um, in some cases there will be two possible answers. Yeah, and then you save it. Let's have a example that I don't think about it before. Passive voice, fill in the blank. Okay, so the key is my brother. Okay, the answer would be Ethan. Yeah, probably there are another alternative. The cake mm, mm, is what is let's say ruined, for example, ruined, because yeah, any answer is possible. So I just want to give you the examples to you. Yeah, so let's say save this. Now, so you have another questions in form of fill in the blank. Yeah, okay. Then that's all. You have one quiz. Um, you can finish the quiz. So let's edit an image. Okay, I feel not comfortable with this. Passive. Let's say a picture of mm, 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 writing. So picture. Okay, see this one. Uh, can you drag it here? No, go. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I think you need to paste the link. Now paste the image link. Okay, wait. Let's have this and have the link. Sorry. Go to Quizziz paste. Mm, what? Cannot use that. So another one. Mm, I'm so sorry for this. It's okay. So there we go. Okay, so the score becomes 10 out of 10, right? And see, you can just simply finish the quiz. Now, so your quiz is ready. It is visible for anyone. So anyone wanting to create a quiz under the same title, passive voice, if that person type it on the search box, then your quiz also will uh, show up. Okay, then you can play live or assign or have a practice. So in play live, click, you can host the game, classic, or as a test. So we cannot have it a team yet because yeah, we are physical distancing. So if it is in a classroom, you can have a team, but now you can go for the classic one or the test. Okay, host the game. Then you will be provided with a link. Okay, so you need to inform your student this one, the game code, how to where to go. So join myquiz.com and enter the game code, this one. Join the game, enter that code. Or you can share via Google Classroom, via Canvas, Schoology, and other platform. Yeah, it's really easy. Okay, so after you start, when your students already join to your quiz, you can see their name. So I cannot show you now how, because this is not, I haven't tried it. I mean, there are no students joining now. I just show you how to create it. Okay. Then if the time is up, you can end the game and you go back. Okay. So is that clear how to create a quizzes? I hope it does. So again, thank you very much for listening. If you have questions, you can just comment it on the comment sections. Thank you.